Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Riya and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make your perfume last long. Now, we all want to smell amazing and want our perfumes to last long, and we all wish that we could just smell a few sprays and smell good all day long, but that does not really happen often until and unless your perfume's longevity is too good, which is not the case most times. But there's a routine that I follow when I want my perfumes to last all day long, and they do really last all day long whenever I follow this whole routine. I personally love doing this, of course, not on a regular everyday basis, but on days when I want to feel a little extra fancy, I follow this routine, and it's something that I've developed over time after finding out what I like and what I don't like in my fragrance. So let me tell you how. So first thing first, when you want to make your perfume last long, you need to layer a lot of body care products in order for it to last long. And the first and foremost thing that you need to keep in mind is to stick to a fragrance profile. For example, if you're looking for a floral fragrance, then all your body care products need to have floral notes to it. Try choosing products with similar notes to bring out the most effective results. I'll of course explain more in this video. So for this video, I'm sticking to a gourmand fragrance profile, and one of my most favorite scents is vanilla. So this is how I layer all of my body care products and my perfumes for it to last the longest. Starting off with a body wash. Now this is not the most mandatory step, but it does make a slight difference, very slight difference. Like, I myself do not necessarily include this step, but whenever I do, it does make a slight bit of difference in my whole body care routine. So this is a body wash from Bath and Body Works in the fragrance Snowflakes and Cashmere, and the notes of this one are vanilla cashmere cream, caramel woods and frosted clementine. So this is sort of a gourmand yet woody notes. To me, this is one of my most favorite scents ever from Bath and Body Works. It's vanilla, but it's also very woody, so it's more towards a dark gourmand fragrance, has a lot of woodiness to it. So this is definitely a mature vanilla fragrance, not your girly candy vanilla fragrance. So when I use this body wash, it leaves a very slight faint fragrance on my skin, and right after shower, when my skin is still damp, I go ahead and use this body oil from Plum Body Loving. So the fragrance that I have is called Vanilla Vibes. Now why I choose this is because I'm going with all vanilla scents for this video, and this is just that. It smells like vanilla, not a very mature vanilla, but it's still vanilla. It does smell a little cheap to me, but I can walk because I just use this as a layer of my whole body care routine. There are no mention of any notes on this one, but it does smell like vanilla. And since we're sticking to vanilla for this video, this and this pairs really well. So after using the body shower, while my skin is still damp, I like to use this body oil all over my body, and it just leaves the skin feeling very soft as well as gives you a nice fragrance. And while the skin is still damp, it will lock in the fragrance. However, I only use the body oil during winter, so I would recommend skipping body oil altogether if you're following a routine during the summers. But for winters, a body oil with a similar fragrance profile is great for layering. Next up is of course a body lotion. Now for body lotion, I have the same variant as the body wash that I used previously, which is the Snowflakes and Cashmere. So you see how all similar notes are happening. We are sticking to vanilla forward fragrances. So once I've applied the body oil, I go ahead and apply this body cream, again with very similar notes. This not only makes my skin feel even more moisturized, but also leaves me feeling so nice because of its amazing fragrance. And this way you can ensure that when you apply your body mist or your perfume later on, it seals in that fragrance and makes it last really long. And you don't really need to use the same variant. You can use some other body lotion, but make sure the fragrance notes are similar or are complementary to each other. That way you can ensure smelling good all day long. Now of course the next step has to be some sort of a body spray or a body mist. I mostly use body mist, and I have these two options right here. First one is of course the same variant, Snowflakes and Cashmere, and the other one is from Victoria's Secrets. It's called Bare Vanilla Cashmere. Now on most days, whenever I'm using the Plum Vanilla Vibes body oil and the Snowflakes and Cashmere from Bath and Body Works body lotion, I mostly use this one rather than the Snowflakes and Cashmere body mist. Let me first read out the notes of this one to you. The notes of this first one are vanilla patchouli and vanilla orchid. This one has vanilla and also vanilla orchid, so not the same exact as this one, but they have a similar profile, which is what makes it more interesting when I layer the body oil as well as the body lotion with this. Like I said, you can either go for the same variant, in all of the categories, or use complementary ones, and this one is perfectly complementary to the body oil as well as the body lotion and the body wash that we used at first. So just to give you guys an idea, this is how you can layer your body oils, your body wash, your lotions and your fragrance mist with notes that are complementary to each other. And now, of course, finally sealing the deal with a perfume. Now I have two perfumes which layer perfectly well with the rest of the body care products. The first one is Oksana Black EDP. It's a dupe of the very famous YSL Black Opium. This is a Middle Eastern brand and they have made an exact dupe of the Black Opium perfume. And the other one is from Groovy Fragrances Khamra. Now this is the exact dupe of Latafa Khamra. Both gourmand fragrances, and I'll just read out the notes of both of these to you in a second. Okay, so the notes of Oksana Black are pear, orange blossom and pink pepper, jasmine, coffee, bitter almond, licorice, patchouli, vanilla, cedarwood and cashmere wood. I have also smelled the YSL Black Opium, which is why I can compare the two and tell you that both of these smell exactly the same. I'll leave a link of this one in the description box below in case you want to grab this. But yeah, now coming back to why I would layer this fragrance with the rest of the body care products. So like I mentioned, this one has cashmere wood, vanilla, patchouli. Some of the notes that I mentioned in this one are already present in the other products that I had shown you earlier. Like this one already has patchouli and vanilla and cashmere. Similarly, this one too has cashmere. So you understand how similar notes complement each other and make you smell so good, and most importantly make the fragrance last so much longer. This one is an exact dupe of Latafa Khamra, and the notes of this one are cinnamon, nutmeg, bergamot, dates, praline, tuberose, mahonial, vanilla, tonka bean, amberwood, myrrh, benzoin and akigala wood. So this one again has some notes which are present in the other products, making it an ideal perfume to layer with the rest of the body care products. And I like switching between these two as per my mood. Both of them layer so amazingly well with the rest of the fragrances and just make the overall fragrance last so long. So yeah, that was how I layer all of my body care products. If you want me to make more videos like these, please leave a comment below and I'll try my best to do it. And that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.